Hello everybody. I just got my Samsung Galaxy Tab A yesterday, which is pretty cool. Check it out. I'm gonna unbox it right now. So here it is. As you can see, I'm gonna pull it straight out. It's kind of tricky to do this while holding the camera, but there it is. Bought it on sale. Nothing in it anymore. And of course there's the tablet itself, which I'm gonna set that aside and open it up later. Your quick start guide, as well as a SIM ejection tool, which I'll show you once I open it up because I can't do it while holding the camera. Your micro C port or whatever, I'm not sure, just the receipt, but there's your Samsung charger. Yeah, and I guess that's about it. So I'll show you, actually I'm gonna get it out, but I will show you everything in full glory once I unpacked everything. Let's open this tablet up. As you can see, it is really well packaged, and here it is in full of its glory right there. The screen is not that good in the sunlight, but let's power it up. Actually, I'm gonna review the quick start guide before I power it up. Okay, here is the tablet in full glory. Got the charger right here, the SIM ejection tool. I don't know why it came with it. Oh, because there's the micro SD card, but I don't have one. So I'm gonna put it back in its box right here. I don't really need it, but I'll save it up for later. And of course, I'll put everything back the way it is. Here's the tablet itself. Let me power it up. That's weird. Why is it not? There it is. Powered by the Android. I had iPads before, but this is there to replace my iPad because I'll make another video why I got rid of my iPad. Actually, I already made it, but I just hasn't uploaded yet because I don't have time. The glorious Samsung startup. User manual is written in English as well as in French. Mobile with care. And that's about it for guys. So thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos and stay subscribed. Give it a thumbs up.